Coming up with cash in an emergency can be tough, especially with fewer people having steady jobs or savings to fall back on. Still, there are practical ways to raise money quickly when unexpected expenses arise. Doing odd jobs in your neighborhood. Advertise your services online or on sites like Craigslist. Clearly list the jobs you offer, your rates, and availability. Include both phone and email so clients can easily reach you. Start with friends and neighbors. Let them know you're available for light housework or yard work and ask them to spread the word. Good service will help you gain more customers. Charge fair, simple rates. Keep your prices lower than professionals, around $8 to $10 per hour, and round your time to the nearest half hour to keep billing easy. Be professional. Dress neatly, smile, and make eye contact. Clearly explain the services you offer, stay flexible with hours, and respond to calls or job offers quickly. Bring your own tools when possible, like a toolbox or rake. Mention if you have access to larger items, such as ladders or mowers, and avoid jobs you can't complete with your equipment. Finding short-term jobs. Think about your skills to find short-term work. Bookkeeping and accounting often offer temporary, well-paying jobs. Offices and HR departments may need part-time help with paperwork or filing. If you have tech skills, some companies or websites hire short-term workers too. Check Craigslist or local newspapers for short-term jobs and apply for work that matches your skills. Join paid surveys or studies online to earn a bit extra. Search on Google to find legitimate options. Join a temp agency for short-term work. Apply with your resume, dress professionally, and be polite. Accept jobs quickly and work hard. Some roles can become permanent. Selling and reselling. If you can live without a car, selling it can bring in quick cash. Gather the title, maintenance records, and details about its features. Check the market value on Kelley Blue Book to set a fair price and advertise honestly online or in newspapers with clear photos and contact info. Hold a yard sale and advertise it online or locally. Clean and organize your items, price them slightly high but open to bargaining, and feature big pieces like furniture to attract buyers. Sell your belongings online through platforms like Craigslist or eBay to make quick cash. These sites let you reach many buyers and sell items fast, especially if you include clear photos and fair prices. Sell your items to a pawn shop if you need fast cash. They buy almost anything of value, though offers are usually low and non-negotiable. Resell collectibles for profit by focusing on one niche, like vintage toys or glassware. Research values, find rare items at yard sales, and sell through collector sites or online markets to reach more buyers. And using unorthodox approaches. Perform on the street if you can play an instrument or sing. Get a permit if required, and choose a safe, high-traffic area. Play popular or seasonal music, and stay friendly. Smiling and engaging with passers-by can boost your tips. Collect scrap metal like iron, steel, or copper, and sell it to scrap yards by weight. Search safely in legal areas, such as discarded bins or old lots, and wear gloves. Avoid stealing or entering unsafe places. Morning trash days are great for finding scrap or items you can repair and resell. Go rock hunting for fossils, geodes, or gemstones using local guidebooks. Learn gemstone grades, bring digging tools, and only collect where it's legal. Avoid private property, and sell your finds to specialty shops, though profits are usually modest. Collect and sell plastic bottles for cash. You'll need a large amount to make a profit, so be ready to put in effort. Search online for recycling companies that buy bottles in bulk. Sell your hair if it's long and untreated. Healthy, virgin hair can bring good money. Eating well and avoiding smoking increases its value. You can check its worth using online hair pricing tools. Thanks for watching.